Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with another wonderful and delicious recipe, that is tomato ka meetha or tomato ka meetha. These tomatoes I am using in the sweet dish is everything homegrown from my own garden. I am using all cherry tomatoes. You can see how beautiful it is grown in my garden. It is worth growing cherry tomato plants. Even if you have a small balcony, it will grow very nice. Do sure have a happy gardening. If you try, please let me know in the comment box. This recipe which I am going to share is a traditional recipe. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. For making this sweet treat, I am using cherry tomatoes. These are two types of cherry tomatoes. One is sweet million cherry tomatoes and another one is husky cherry tomatoes. So both are really sweet and little bit tangy too. You are free to use even large tomato cut into small pieces and go ahead with the same process how I will be making these cherry tomatoes itself. But making with these small cute little tomatoes, the sweet looks really very delicious and very different than the normal tomato sweet. I had around half kg of tomatoes from my plant. Every week or 10 days I will get these many tomatoes from my plant. First we will take enough water, that is approximately 1 liter of water. In that I will be boiling these tomatoes. Not too much, only until we see like this type of cracks on tomatoes. Just remove the peel out of it. When you see these cracks, remove all the tomatoes out of the hot water immediately. After removing all the tomatoes, I will not discard this water. I will use the same water to make the sugar syrup. I am using the same water with 1 cup of sugar. Any sugar you can take. You can also take jaggery instead of white sugar or brown sugar. Meanwhile, when the sugar is getting cooked, I am just going to peel all the tomatoes and remove the peel. I added orange color food color and 2 cardamom and bring the sugar syrup to boil. To that I also added the cherry tomatoes. After adding the cherry tomatoes, we will bring it to a boil, and now I am adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder mixed in water. Nicely give it a good mix. First I added 2 tablespoons only. Then I wanted it to be more thick. Later on I added 1 tablespoon extra. Now on the other side, in a small frying pan, I have taken ghee for tempering and all the whole spices. You can see any spices. The star anise will be having a little strong taste. If you want to avoid, you can also avoid it. But in my house we like it and I am adding it. Again I am adding handful of cashews, raisins, and this is till or sesame seeds, and half a teaspoon of black seed also. If you have melon seeds, that also will be very nice. Now I am adding the tempering to the tomato sweet. This tempering is a very must for this sweet treat. Nicely give it a good mix and keep cooking until you reach the consistency. Don't cook too much, otherwise the cherry tomatoes will lose its shape. If you want to make it thick, you add more custard powder dissolved in water, but do not cook it for long. Finally, this is the consistency I was looking for, so I will off the flames and immediately transfer it to the serving bowl. I am garnishing it with grated khova or mawa. It is optional. Just this sweet treat is very tasty with the nuts itself. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.